In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change reply to email in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to route replies from your campaign to Mailchimp's built-in inbox, so you can manage conversations in one place and keep your personal or team email accounts clutter-free. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard and head to the campaigns area. This is where all of your email campaigns live, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. Open the campaign you want to adjust by selecting Edit. If you have multiple versions, be sure you're editing the correct draft or the campaign that's scheduled to go out, so your change applies to the right message. Once you're in the campaign builder, look toward the top of the page for the settings icon, often shown as a small gear. Click that to open your campaign settings panel. This panel controls important details like your from name, from email, subject line, and how replies are handled. Within that panel, find the option labeled Use Inbox to manage replies and select it. Turning this on tells Mailchimp to route any replies from your recipients directly into your Mailchimp inbox instead of sending them to a specific reply to email address. This is especially helpful if you want a central place to review feedback, questions, and out-of-office messages without exposing or relying on a personal mailbox. It also makes it easier for collaborators with the right permissions to see and respond to incoming messages. After you've enabled that option, click Save. This applies the change to the campaign you are editing. Saving is crucial here because leaving the page without saving means your reply handling will stay as it was before. With the save complete, your campaign is now set so that when someone hits reply, their response will go straight to your Mailchimp inbox. A few quick tips to keep you successful. Make sure the from name and from email listed in your campaign settings clearly identify your brand, since people will see those in their inbox and may decide to reply based on that trust. Keep an eye on your Mailchimp inbox around the time your campaign sends so you can catch and respond to messages promptly. And remember, you can return to the same settings area anytime if you want to switch back from using the inbox to a traditional reply to address. That's all there is to it. You've just set your campaign to manage replies inside Mailchimp, keeping your communications organized and easy to monitor.